Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a shop in Shopify. First, you'll want to pick a memorable name for your store that truly represents your brand. Next, choose a Shopify plan that aligns with your business size and goals, whether you're just starting or scaling up. After that, register your account and follow the straightforward steps to get your basic store framework in place. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth launch. Once your account is set up, it's time to design your storefront. Head over to the Shopify theme store and pick a theme that resonates with your brand's aesthetic. There are hundreds of options, many of them free. Then, personalize it by adjusting colors, fonts, and adding your logo to make it uniquely yours. Finally, arrange your products into logical collections, making it easy for customers to browse and find exactly what they need. Now, let's get your products ready for sale. Upload clear, high-resolution images and write compelling descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. Next, integrate secure payment gateways like Shopify Payments, PayPal, or Stripe, offering your customers multiple ways to pay. Don't forget to accurately configure your shipping rates and delivery zones, ensuring a smooth checkout experience for everyone. Before going live, thoroughly review all your store settings and perform a test purchase to ensure everything works perfectly. Once you're confident, remove the password protection to officially open your shop to the world. Finally, start promoting your new store. Utilize social media platforms, run targeted ad campaigns, and send out engaging email newsletters to attract your first customers and build a loyal following.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.